watching Voice of Victory TV, leading souls to Christ.
LT Kenya International Medical Center ni nyagitari igutuka ime yomochi obosongo.
Kenya International Medical Center irega igomochi obosongo.
Igoto kunyaraka otogotumika chimashini chekerero kuringoria omochando ori asomobere ogo.
Cover services chamarwaire amarwaire egatokorokanga chronic diseases gose lifestyle diseases.
Marwaire to kunyaraka otogokonya no burwaire bwa diabetes, high blood pressure, asthma, arthritis, ulcer, ne amarwaire ande amange.
Abanyetari bare trained nande bakurigereria umubiri w'umugima kurwetukia bakegesanise igonga chimashini nigo chiroro cyarure chinse cyamaiko chikurigereria ebimo byao byonsi ipi by'umubiri kurwetukia bakamagurunse
nigo gotonyora gwetira enamba yesimi ere 0717176383 gose 0798018654
kuria na kitego sali umubiri wito igonga titotigiri maega so kurigereria mangana nutrition
nigo twachiri gokonya omochando ori asomobere ogo.
Betame Rehabilitation Center ni nyagitari egokonya abantu abo bachandire no butumeki bwa maryogo yo gutindia buna bono ubutumeki bwa marua chinyasore amona yandamange
aba mintongoro Kelvin usire huko nje no munyagitari bwa mangana ya mental health
Kerotore Betame Rehab program nere koroko aftercare togo tatwara na kiba endrete
Asamalia tangoro ku biligram ondegi abwato mochando ko kunywa maru sigara nenyasora na bete ngotige binde biyonsi ndongo tebi onde bwensi orisikali Betame Rehabilitation Center ne rehabilitation yengia
bono na mangana maya Betame twaigoire orosagia oroya ime ya bosongo ensemo ya gesonso asamanke twakere esimie kubwatia 0706380913 kose 0783691972 Betame Rehabilitation Center genda wenyorere obobwenia webirengo bigoro.
Catch Power ni nyagitari ya bene ekurwalia maroire au gwetera chima
bere moja ase clinic ya Catch Power na generally for body maintenance umubere toire ekwakera toire achira na tumikire chimashini chinyinge chirase clinic ya Catch Power na watalsas china chia rwari buwega chero lekuwa konekia karitoire ake ono ndoche kia kuswiri kone chimashini chiko konya bantu chikaro bwato mukongongo runobwe mukongo bwato mukongo nanje na atoresho kesa accident na nyortenga kete karake lakini bono ndoche na lero mbiuri turugutwa tubwatiburi tubwarengoro turugwatipeni yarengoro tubwarengoro turugwatipeni yarengoro alisas chalenga somubiri chaende daro chinsaga tokoragira chitakariro igobono engineer asebali pakonye kiri kuruchi machine ichi cha Catch Power chonse chigokora masaji chiamagoro ne chesembende bono echiu nabo benchibwate obuyabwaye akarenti nakonye kiri kuworo araninga entrata gochoro araninga entrata gochoro kwa ndra se kulenda omubiri
Asamalia tangoro ku happiness ko muganga ngo ndomo na warte kare sana na warte stroke ya ngante chimashini chichi alkono pesana akero na warte stroke ngacha chigangonya kanyoroswa no eno muswati no na kuna gonkorera iga banara konye kire chimashini nande na warte chi ikikuba na warte na asthma nechialachi ndozi chimashini echingo bekunda somo chiri
Omunachi ebina omonene imiyensi ya Kenya Martha Koome mwasubuti kuria rero niko anyara kobaga kobera county ya Kisii abwasanyara kobaga kuigora ekigambiro kira tukunyara kobaga kugayana ebina ebikebike naboigo umuraibwense Dr. William Samoei Ruto mwasubuti kuria rero niganyara kobaga okora egikaro amona batureti naboigo ababwatani bande koru ase kerengo gensi ase ebinyoro ao inyumba y'Oburais State House yukunyaka bakigotoka imiye county area ya Nairobi. Tinga kichingiana lumwachu murigeria ande onsia sori konyara kabakingo kwariga nigocha SMS tamangana maya nitonyara kabato sanga tumanye asinchira yoboikernu ari abiri ko baka wateka kurwa chinkongo inyechiense anena mono puna abasaki baito amaya babere ko bagutwariganiria nabwo gutubikira emesa nanchengo nyara ko bakingo gosaba oitaranse oikeni nyara ko bakingo kumanya asinchira yubwikenu ari abiri ko baka wateka naboigo anyara ko baka gutwikira ase emesa yito jamaya iriane ni gonguru kwa Bosire Hespon nabwo yore ensemo ya kabiri studio nigo akoro kwa Ishmael omoyo yokwane kinga chibicha amonerio gi jawekere koyachaka amayani gotoko yachakari morio kakuru ase ekigambiro ekenene kya Kisii roko tsi kunyara kwa bakigotoka obugatagati bumuchi obusongo abo ase omunachi ebina omonene aiga Kenya musubati Martha Koome omugavana we county ya Kisii Muske Paul Simba arati amona baraibande abange koru ensemo area judiciary abagaka begesa ku kyumugusi aboigo amona abande abange banyako bawikana naboigo koba kirori ase oguchakiwa wekigambiro ekeke kiratukunyara kwa bagikurigireria ebina ao anena mono biribita bwenete kwenda ase ekigambiro ekenene kaukwana ekero ekyo musubati Martha Koome niganya ko bagakoria eiranga ekione getambukero ekemo yokoene kinga ebina bono byabiri ko bigoichurana ase ekigambiro ekyo bitiko nyara ko babikogayanwa ase obwango mono nabwo nyara ko bigokyana ase konde anyara ko bagakorwa okuburia nabwo egikuro abagaka abachikunyara ko bako tumekari baga iri kunacha ebina ebyo mbanyara ko bagwanjira amakwa yani gwakwa kibesa buna injira emo yo gwanjireria ha kunacha ebina ebyo nabwo ase ensemwende nigo anyara ko bagakwenekia kubwatkana amonu kigambiro ochaka umuroberio o e-firing nigo onyara ko bakoko kyania okumerana kwa bantu nabwo abanachi ebina wikira abaroya una injira emo yo kyania obokurumi ase ensemo eyo yebigambiro imiyense ya Kenya.
Za alternative justice system hapa ambayo pia itakuwa municipal court.
The last time we were here we had a problem with the bar but we solved it, and since that time we have worked together very harmoniously, and I'm very happy to be back here, especially to thank the bar that you have really supported.
It is not sustainable. There is no way you have a problem, you look for money to come and file a case in court, you are paying taxes in everything you do, and then at the same time you come and pay money to facilitate somebody who has already been paid. Yes, we realize that this is a shared responsibility and we have to work together to serve Kenyans who travel long distances to come to court. So that is why we have embraced technology and we are trying to help litigants to save time and money if they can embrace e-filing and also virtual courts and other technology that we have embraced, even to reduce the human interaction, where also when we reduce the human interaction, it reduces also the incidences of corruption. Today, this is the 16th, am I right? The 16th county that has a yes action plan. I equally extend my sincere appreciation on behalf of the judiciary to the Food and Agricultural Organization for your continued technical and financial support us to address, and we work together to find solutions for delivering justice services that are effective and responsive to our people. We have created this structure of platform through which the court users can engage directly with the justice system. I encourage the people of Kisii to actively participate in these forums, to share your experiences, to raise your concerns and contribute to improving justice delivery of Kisii, but also for our national journey towards building a justice system that is more accessible, that is more inclusive, and that is responding to the needs of our people. It is what we call people-centered justice. The judiciary is really to ensure that we...
So the program has been supporting digitization of land records and the application of technologies in land governance across the country, and that's why we've already established a GIS lab in Kisii County. But today we are here because of the second output of the program, which seeks to improve conflicts GIS lab in Kisii County. But today we are here because of the second output of the program.
Oigoke tutigarite ase ekigambiro ekyo ensemo jaye umugavana bwe county ya Kisii nigo anyarako bakagotogia ensemo eya judiciary asokunyora county ya Kisii naboigo onyarako bakagutumika ribaga eri okuboria abaga kabigisa ku kyomugusi banyarako bakura Kisigi kire egati yabo anemono ekyombekeri kya Gusii Council of Elders naboigo ekyombekeri kya mwanya getinge kuwatikana nga ebyombe ebyo nigo bibere bikonyako bikuruka nga nabyo bikonyako bigokwana ase ribagari omugusinga abaga kabegesa kuboigo ase ensemo yende abarayi banyarako bawikana ensemo iyo nigo bagenda gotogia ekigambiro ase kwigora kigambiro ekyo kyachikunyako bakikurigereria amangana amake buna inchira emo yo kyania ko ichurania kwibina ase kigambiro ekyo kya Kisii Locals boigoni kubanyarako bagukurirwa nabo kogenda kunyurirwa tibanyarako bagutumeka amaki asinginjo yo kwanekya ngako nongaya nabali ebina byabo naboigo ase omugusi anyarako bagakuborirwa tobwa guika ase ensemo iyo chingaki akonyarako bakakurigia oboene nabo kero ataranyarako bakagwisaneka nabo abwateri bagario koenda guika ekigambiro keria ekenene.
Sababu wewe mzee hauna pesa ya dawa, serikali kuu imeamua kwamba kuna pesa ya wazee. Kwa hivyo ninyi mmejitolea kufanya kazi hii kwa hiari, mfanye kwa heshima kubwa ili muungane. Na kabla mjaanza kutumisha masuala ya dispute, nataka mmalize dispute mko nayo. Najua kati yenu mko na vikundi viwili. Kuna elders, kuna Mwanyagetinge. Numerous consultative meetings in Kisii, as we just indicated, together with the National Steering Committee and other scholars, which have contributed significantly to the successful launch of the Kisii AGS action. Today, I wish to extend my sincere appreciation to Food and Agricultural Organization, FAO, of the United Nations, through their officer, Mr. Sebastiana Menza. The municipal court, I am sure, the magistrate will come, will be able to help us because of the bylaws to sort out this mess. I'm informed that many minor disputes in Kisii County remain pending before our courts.
yet a significant number of them could be resolved efficiently through our well-trained and experienced alternative justice system